Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Google Voice and signing in with the Google account you want to use. Once done, pick or port a voice number. This gives you a reachable identity for calls and texts. Make sure you grant microphone, contacts, and SMS permissions so the app can place calls and sync contacts. When prompted, verify your device with the SMS or call code. This links the number to your Samsung phone and enables full functionality. Now you configure how voice handles calls and voicemail for you. Go to Settings, set call forwarding to your Samsung number, or add alternate phones so calls ring where you want them. Record a clear voicemail greeting and enable transcription to read messages quickly. Link other devices like a tablet or the web app so they ring too. This keeps you reachable across devices. Make sure Do Not Disturb rules won't mute voice notifications when you expect calls. Finish by testing everything. Place a call and send a text from another phone to confirm incoming and outgoing work. Then fine-tune notifications, caller ID, and data usage so voice behaves on cellular and Wi-Fi. If something fails, first restart your Samsung and recheck app permissions. Make sure background data is allowed. If calls still fail, clear the app cache or update Google Voice. These steps resolve most problems and get you reliably using voice on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.